Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. If you're looking to establish a unique brand and differentiate yourself in the market, private labeling might be the perfect strategy for you. Let's explore what private labeling is and how you can leverage it to create a successful business. 1. Understanding private labeling. Private labeling involves sourcing products from manufacturers and suppliers, adding your branding and logo to them, and selling them under your own brand name. It allows you to create a distinct identity and stand out in a competitive market. 2. Benefits of private labeling. There are several benefits to private labeling, including greater control over product quality, customization options, and higher profit margins compared to traditional dropshipping. Private labeling also enables you to build brand loyalty and customer trust over time. 3. Finding the right suppliers. One of the key factors in successful private labeling is finding reliable suppliers who can deliver high-quality products consistently. Research and vet potential suppliers thoroughly to ensure they meet your standards and can accommodate your branding requirements. 4. Branding and packaging. Effective branding and packaging are essential elements of private labeling. Invest in professional logo design, label creation, and packaging that reflects your brand identity and resonates with your target audience. Consistent branding across all touchpoints helps build brand recognition and loyalty. 5. Marketing and distribution. Once you've established your private label brand, it's crucial to develop a comprehensive marketing and distribution strategy. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to reach your target audience and drive sales. Consider both online and offline distribution channels to maximize your reach. Private labeling offers a world of opportunities for entrepreneurs to create their own brands and carve out a niche in the market. By understanding the fundamentals of private labeling and implementing effective branding and marketing strategies, you can build a successful and profitable business that stands the test of time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on building a successful private label brand.